Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is for traders. Strong foreign investment follow for Google, Facebook. Describe coronavirus news. Send forces top world companies such as Google, Facebook, Walmart, investor India, Facebook, invest in real estate industry platform, social media, Ghanaian Jen sign in large invest other companies. Single out for guests invest for poured into the country in Spain just these 8.5 months of spread this so economic activity from to grand halt due to the coronavirus pandemic. Top gold companies such as Google, Facebook, and Walmart invest of India. In fact, Facebook invests in Reliance Industries. Joint platform is the social media grant. Single large investor in other companies. Friday by the July likely highest the year compares last year because he are more time left the month is complete from expert annual already be hires enjoy screen experience our own app web 10 faster on app better viewers experience entry dominate for FDI total fight increase follow receiver earning and other category biggest companies our use trillion FY 1844 9 0.66 12.5 2.9 FY 1945 top global companies investor Google has invested India 4.5 billion of this in platform this balance would come our Google, Facebook, Saudi Arab, Silver like Walmart, Channel Art Spons, Tax Apply section, Two Smokes, High G, Our Views Experience, Bay Mobs, Expert India Technical Center for Software Development 5 Picture Exchange Data Analysis and Core Software Company opened first delivery center in Saudi India. SGS Amazon, a partner and quality packages opening first accreditation testing lab of India. F5 solution provide to upsell platform opened first center in India. Tuski Japanese electronics company opened a plant. Harian single sign capsicum 8 platform 1 solution a value based then understand so retail investor current Amazon super value days up to 70% of population gross electron modes top cryptocurrency prices product Solana platform 70% of Amazon the top electric stallion is not showing any corporate this wrist Maastricht sold crossed the 1,050 dollars mark, scoring a 50 505% return in just 1 month. He added negative will work with Pit anti technical partner and also with lunch owner cryptocurrency than in each next currency bank also around it planned to launch in digital currency later this year. Bitcoin tracks have been enabled successful keep BTC below for these $50 marks this post every selling this up US dollar put mark the end last week put BTC upwards this hit $49,000 befriended prevents the ascent these physiology related life which currency $5,000 said zip pay trade disk some key backend development this week's schedules, namely this USA private section implement data and non-farmer payroll data which made improvement these estimate of investor hence charters will remain traction and added from remains always will cryptocurrency worthless token compresses something work realization industry led Bitcoin and others. How the crypto prices Bitcoin $470 ATM Black Coin Thyter Conida Crepsy Payout USC Coin Solon. These views code crypto exchange farmer rate listed smart content platform employees directed analyze solve complex problem and other blockchain network industry solve transparent spend highest cost just is token FTM currency trading Flemag Okta FTA registered compact 40 hours Ghanaian 65 FMT Ghanaian investor since launch many program teams FTMs posted will broker local sisters a template once the daily changes FTMS seems are making up the band platform the keep handed format and push increased up US price action following a symbol designation subscribe broker FTMS changing provide time hits in some case token can break from the cup and for information making bundle suspect with scan bound 0.84 a brown major level supported 0.84 dollars 0.8078 dollars viewers recommended give this section analyze owner and do not respond these FMT marketplace constant financial advertise tracking any posting what the movement technically less than news store Amazon sales Amazon supply value up to 70% off on clothing appliance progressive election moves India USA FMT Great Trade Private Limited deals information USA section companies. The print particular also conveys to India USA trade discovery approved the information telecom waste tools price the two-sided between tried house package limited. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest